Welcome to my channel. Flights Assistance. Kalitta Air finds value in Boeing digital maintenance solutions. Kalitta Air, a prominent player in the global air cargo industry, has embraced Boeing's digital maintenance solutions to enhance operational efficiency and reliability. This partnership underscores the growing importance of digital tools in modern aviation. Here are 10 key points detailing how Kalitta Air finds value in these innovative solutions. 1. Streamlined maintenance operations. Boeing's digital maintenance solutions enable Kalitta Air to streamline maintenance processes through data-driven insights. By leveraging predictive analytics, the airline can anticipate maintenance needs, reducing downtime and increasing fleet availability. 2. Enhanced aircraft reliability. With access to real-time aircraft health monitoring, Kalitta Air can identify potential issues before they escalate. This proactive approach ensures higher reliability for its fleet, minimizing disruptions in its cargo operations. 3. Cost savings. The implementation of Boeing's digital solutions has resulted in significant cost savings for Kalitta Air. By optimizing maintenance schedules and preventing unexpected failures, the airline reduces both direct and indirect operational costs. 4. Improved fleet utilization. Kalitta Air's adoption of digital tools allows for better fleet utilization by minimizing aircraft on ground (AOG) scenarios. Efficient planning and timely interventions ensure that aircraft spend more time in the air and less time undergoing repairs. 5. Data-driven decision-making. Boeing's advanced analytics platforms provide Kalitta Air with comprehensive data insights. This empowers the airline to make informed decisions about maintenance priorities, resource allocation, and long-term fleet management strategies. 6. Customizable solutions. One of the key advantages of Boeing's digital offerings is their customization. Kalitta Air can tailor these solutions to meet its unique operational requirements, ensuring that the tools align with its specific goals and challenges. 7. Seamless integration with existing systems. Boeing's digital maintenance solutions integrate seamlessly with Kalitta Air's existing systems, avoiding disruptions during implementation. This compatibility ensures a smooth transition and immediate benefits from the technology. 8. Sustainability benefits. By improving operational efficiency and reducing unnecessary maintenance activities, Kalitta Air also lowers its environmental impact. Efficient fleet operations lead to reduced fuel consumption and emissions, aligning with global sustainability goals. 9. Support for diverse aircraft types. Kalitta Air operates a diverse fleet, including Boeing 747 and 767 aircraft. Boeing's digital solutions are designed to support multiple aircraft types, making them ideal for Kalitta's varied operational needs. 10. Strengthened partnership with Boeing. This collaboration reinforces Kalitta Air's long-standing relationship with Boeing. By adopting these cutting-edge solutions, the airline benefits from Boeing's expertise while contributing to the evolution of digital tools in the aviation industry. Conclusion. Kalitta Air's decision to implement Boeing's digital maintenance solutions highlights the transformative potential of digital technologies in aviation. By improving efficiency, reliability, and sustainability, these tools not only enhance Kalitta Air's operations but also set a benchmark for the broader cargo industry. As the partnership evolves, it is poised to deliver even greater value, demonstrating the vital role of innovation in meeting the demands of modern air cargo logistics. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.